Hello everyone, it's been a long time. I'm back, sorry for the delay. Life got heavy, studies, exams, and too much mental noise. You know that feeling, when you're doing everything and still nothing feels right? Yeah, that, but now I'm ready. And today, I'm here for you. A few days ago, someone dropped a comment on my video and it hit me hard. That's not just his story, it's our story, maybe even yours. Because right now, we're all struggling mentally, physically, spiritually, financially. So today, we begin something new, a real one. And the first most important pillar is mentally. Let's go. Being mentally strong doesn't mean you never cry. It doesn't mean you're always confident or always happy. It means you feel everything, but you don't let it break you. You bounce back after failure. You fight your thoughts. Instead of running, you heal even when no one claps for you. Let's be real. This generation is tired. We scroll more, sleep less, talk more, trust less, connected online, but empty on the inside. What's killing our peace? Overthinking. You lie in bed and your brain won't shut up. Breakups. You give your heart, they leave. Family pressure. You try, still not enough. Social media, you scroll and suddenly hate your own life. And that feeling of being alone, even in a room full of people, it hurts. You work hard, still get judged. You love hard, still get left. You try everything, but still feel behind in, let's fix this. Here's a routine that might just save your future. 1. Morning reset. Don't touch your phone for 30 minutes. Breathe. Inhale for 4, hold for 7, exhale for 8. Now write 3 things you're truly grateful for. 2. Night journal. Before bed, dump everything on paper. The overthinking, the anger, the pressure. Burn the page if you want, but let it go. 3. Cut the junk, mute the noise. Block the drainers, limit social media to 30 minutes. Follow what grows you, not just distracts you. 4. Feed your mind. Read 10 pages, or just watch something that expands your thinking. Learn something, anything. This isn't just motivation. This is survival. Because if you're not mentally strong in 2025, you'll get lost in people, in pressure, in pain. You'll get destroyed, not by others, but by your own mind. So build it like a muscle. Train every single day. Here are 5 questions I ask myself every night. 1. What's stressing me right now? 2. What can I control at this moment? 3. Did I protect my peace today? 4. Who am I still chasing and why? 5. What kind of person am I slowly becoming? Ask honestly, feel it, write it, face it, listen. You're not weak, you're not broken, you're not behind. You're just still building. Every day is a chance to choose growth over gossip, peace over panic, purpose over pain. This video is your mental reset button. Come back to it whenever you feel low. Save it, share it, live it. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to stay in the fight. This is just episode 1. Next, we go physical, spiritual, and financial. Your full comeback, step by step. Drop a comment if you're with me. And tell me where you're struggling mentally. I'll reply, I promise. Until then, take care of your mind, because your mind builds your entire. I'm with you. Stay strong, stay real, and I'll see you in the next one.